Let's go through my latest Mood fabric purchase. Welcome, I do sewing and DIY related content, and today's video is all about my latest purchase from Mood Fabrics. So I bought a lot of different things from there, specifically as you're going to see a little later on, a lot of it's going to be fabric swatches as I have a big project coming up that I'm going to be trying to figure out what fabric I specifically want to use for it. I also did get some fabric. It's going to be for a blouse, which we'll talk a little bit more about. But the first item that came in here is they always give you this cute little card, and they do actually include a coupon code, which is very nice. Next, we have this fabric that I was talking about for a new blouse. I think it's a really pretty color. It is slightly see-through, so I definitely will be having to wear something on the back of it. This is the Green April Ever After crepe material, so it has a really nice flowy feel. I think it's going to work really well for a blouse for work. Next up, I got some muslin fabric as I am going to be making a wedding guest dress, and I really want to make sure that I do it correctly, so I bought this as I think it will be a great way to create some mock-ups. I even have a short about one of the mock-ups that I did that did not turn out well, so I needed more fabric to really work through those mock-ups, and as you're going to see, I'm really excited about this. It was even on sale, so I was really glad that I was able to get it. And now here are all the swatches that I was talking about a little earlier. So these are for the wedding guest dress specifically. I'm trying to figure out which one I like. So a lot of these I got just to see the color and the texture. So there's this really pretty textured forest green. It has a slight stretch to it, but I think that's mostly just how the fabric was put together. It's pretty, but after seeing it in person, I don't think I'm going to go with that for the dress. And then I also got this other material. So it was like a polyester, but I'm not going to be using this one. It just isn't the texture that I thought it was going to be. Then I did get some Georgette fabric, so I got a navy blue as well as a green. I think that they're both very pretty colors. I probably will not be using them as I don't think this is necessarily the type of dress that I'm trying to go for. Then I did get another textured material. This one was more teal. I was curious what it would look like in person, but I think it is a really pretty fabric that you could definitely do something with, just I probably will not be using it for my dress. Then I did get some satin stretch material, so there was this really pretty olive green, and I like how it looks, and this is definitely a top contender for me for the final type of dress. Then I got two swatches. I'm actually going to Taylor Swift's Eras Tour in November, and I'm trying to already start planning out what I want to wear, and I was curious how sparkly these fabrics were, which as you can tell from the video, they are incredibly sparkly and very fun. And I think if I could get this one maybe in like a navy or like a dark blue for like her Midnights era, that it could be perfect. Then for the rest of my swatches, one of the dress patterns that I saw had like a lace overlay, so I got these two really interesting lacy materials that are metallic, as I thought they would be really fun and shiny to go over some material. I'm not sure if I will end up using this or not, but I'm really glad that I got it. They're both beautiful fabrics. I definitely know that I won't be going with this pink blue one. It's much brighter in person, and I think for the look I'm going for the wedding, I don't want to be like that loud, but I'm glad that I got them, and they are very pretty, so maybe something in the future. Then I also did get this navy blue satin, so very similar to the olive green earlier. And then I got a green color as well. So I really like this green as well as the navy blue. Really those three stretch satins are kind of what I'm torn between for figuring out which one I want to go with. So I definitely think that these are going to be some of the top contenders for my dress when I figure out the pattern. Then finally, I had actually gotten a coupon from Mood that I could get this free tape measure, so I went ahead and did it. I love tape measures. They are so useful, and I love that this one is, has small, it has the little button that kind of brings it back in automatically, and I've already been using this, so I definitely think it was a great purchase, a great add-on, especially since the coupon made it be free. I'm really excited about all the items that I got in this purchase though. I think it's going to be a lot of fun projects coming on. Let me know what is your favorite, which of these fabrics, which swatch did you like the best, and which project are you most excited for. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. Thanks for watching.